Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope that all of you are fine. Welcome to online support. Subject numeracy, mathematics, class 1, lesson number 2, topic counting in tens. So the material which you required for this lesson is lead pencil, ruler, eraser and resource pack. I hope that all of you have these. Dear students, here is the content of our today's lesson. Today we will do worksheet number 1 from resource pack. Learning objectives. Dear students, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the concept of tens and units with the help of abacus. Recapitulation. Dear students, in the previous lesson, we have learnt about 3D shapes from resource pack, page number 58. I hope now your concept is clear. So get ready for today's task. Dear students, now in today's lesson, first we will do page number 52 and then we will solve page number 59 from resource pack. So my dear students, open page number 52 and write day, date and today's task on the top of this page with the help of lead pencil. Today we are going to learn about place value of tens and units. Place value. Place value can be defined as a value represented by a digit in a number. Digit. So dear students, what do you mean by a digit? A digit is a symbol used to write the numbers. See here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are one-digit numbers. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, up to 99. These are two-digit numbers. Dear students, do you know what is abacus? The abacus is a simple device for calculating consisting of a frame. The abacus also called a counting frame. Here is a picture of abacus. The abacus above shows two bars. The red bar is used for units and the blue bar is used for tens. Number 1. Only 9 beads can fit on the units bar. So dear students, you can see in units bar we have 9 beads. Number 2. To show 110, we remove the 9 units and put a bead on the blue bar. So my dear students, अगर आप tens bar में 110 शो करना चाहते हैं तो आपको यूनिट्स बार में से 1 बीट लेकर टेंस बार में पुट करना होगा. Dear students, now we will learn the place value with the help of abacus. An abacus has two vertical rods. You can see in this abacus the rod on the right side denotes digits at units place and the rod which is on the left side denotes digits at tens place. Now there is only one bead in tens column. So the above shows 0 in units and 1 bead in tens place. Dear students, now open page number 59 and write today's task on the top of this page. Count and write the numbers in tens. So my dear students, now we will count the beads and write the numbers in tens. Let's see. Worksheet number 1, page number 59. My dear students, in the abacus, you can see the letter U. which denotes position of units, and letter T denotes position of tens. Now, from the given abacus, let's count the beads and write the answer. You can see we have 3 beads in tens position. Count them. 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 in tens place. Now count the beads in units position. You can see there is no bead at units position. So we will write 0 in units place. It means 3 tens and 0 units make 30. Very good. I hope you understand. My dear students, now tell me how many tens and how many units we have. You can see in tens position we have 6 beads. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6 in tens place. Now count the beads in units position. You can see there is no bead at units position. So we will write 0 in units place. It means 6 tens and 0 units make 60. My dear students, now count the beads in tens position. You can see in tens position we have 2 beads. So we will write 2 in tens place. Now count the beads in units position. There is no bead at units position, so we will write 0 in units place. It means 2 tens and 0 units make 20. Dear students, now in tens position we have 4 beads. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 4 in tens place. Now look at units position. How many beads we have in units position? So my dear students, you can see we don't have any beads in units position. So we will write 0 in units place. It means 4 tens and 0 units make 40. Very good. Fun facts. Place value headings like tens and ones tells us about the value of a digit in a number. Now, at the end of this lesson, I have a task for all of you. You have to learn page number 52 and you have also solved page number 59. So my dear students, here's the end of today's maths lesson number 2. Till the next lesson, take care and Allah Hafiz.